As all tanks are very vulnerable for FPV drones, there is still a major difference between tanks, as different tanks offer better survivability both for the tank and the crew. As seen with this older T-62 tank being attacked by a Ukrainian FPV drone, the thinner armor makes for easier penetration, with poorly stored ammunition causing the tank to blow up and the turret to get tossed up in the air, showing both the effectiveness of the Ukrainian drone army as well as lacking protection older Russian tank offer, destroying another of Russia's older tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.